Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl Tay, and as you can see by the title, we will be doing a get ready with me, or maybe not a get ready. We're gonna be doing my makeup. I don't have much else to say. Let's get into it. But seriously, if you do want to see or watch how I achieve my, this is like a simple beat. It's just very natural.
Delusion. Convince yourself.
It's not natural. But it's not over the top either. It's not giving natural, but it's not giving glam. But it's giving, yeah. So if you want to see how I achieve my every time I put on my makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, so to start my makeup, obviously you want to start off with a fresh face. I did my skincare, and then we're going to prime. What? So this is literally just how I do my brows. I just line them and then I fill in the middle. And now we're gonna move on to cleaning up our brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And yeah, you see that arch. Come on now. All right, and now we're gonna move on to foundation. I'm using one of Real Techniques' blending foundation brushes. And yeah, I love it. You see the material. You see what it did. And I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. This is definitely one of the best concealers if you want a full coverage. And then I'm going to follow it with the Kosas concealer for my nose, above my lip, my chin, and my forehead. And I don't let my concealer, okay, I'm so extra. I don't let my concealer sit for too long, literally at all, because that should be drying up quick. You got to get straight to blending right away. And then to end our concealing, lastly, we're going to use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. And when they said creaseless, yeah, they meant that. I live by this concealer, and I feel like it's perfect for the under eye. Lord. Okay. And we're going to let this do what it do. We're going to let it soak in for nothing but 30 seconds. And we're just going to start tapping that shit in. Yeah, you see that. Come on. I don't even got to say nothing. You see it for yourself. From Mercier. You know, the clips are just here for show. This shit is in my way. All right, and just like that, the face is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think down below. And thank you for watching. Bye, you guys.